very good evening, a very late evening, but a very good evening, and welcome to the India Skyward Community Info Session. Yeah, so the today date is for 4th August 2023, and the day is Friday, and here me and my team is with all the new updates for all the people who are here, and I request everyone to pay your attention to this info session because many updates have been updated in recent week. And please, if you have anybody who is interested in technology or the transport to change the transportation technology, or they want to do something on their own and want to do something for the community, kindly invite them to this meeting. That would be really helpful. So we will be able to reach more number of people and tell them about this beautiful technology, which is going to change the transportation. So who am I? So I'm Parul Sharma, Speaker and Community Manager at SWC Sky World Community India. And here is the certification which I got. And we are looking for many community managers for SWC. So whosoever would be interested, please reach to our team and go through all the updates, go through all details about the SWC and be a part of this beautiful team. And here is the certification of the achievement. I'm very proud to be as a community manager and got this opportunity so that I can give each and minor updates to all of you who are associated with SWC and the Unitsky String Technologies. So who am I? If I talk about a very short and brief introduction about myself, that I am a person who is very interested in Unitsky String Technology project because a year back it's got my eye and I didn't let me go. And I love to travel and explore in my life. You all are agree with me that we need a very new transportation in India because if you are a person who is going to office or even have a hobby to explore beautiful places or the other countries, other places, or even your own country, right? But when you go out, there is a one major problem we all face on a daily basis also, or on a vacation also, if you are going somewhere, this is the transportation problem. So when I research or when I see searches on the Google also, I came to know about the Unitsky String Technology and I start investigate about it. What is this? How it can help to our country? How can it help to us? So it took me a while to investigate to know about what is it all about, and I could not stop thinking to know more about UST. It's not only about the transportation, but also the financial security for my little family, and it was very uh, attracting point of that thing, which attract me like a magnet towards it. That's why one of my wishes is to present this unique opportunity to all of you, to all the brothers and the sisters in India of mine. And at present, I'm a very proud and honored to be an active team member, a community manager, and the active team member of the partner program, which is led by Ms. Kat Checker. She's the curator and the responsible for India. And so throughout this session, kindly pay attention to this because it's going to be a most unique opportunity that you come across in your life. And this is not the sales technique. Just believe me, as I will go in details of this technology or the transportation technology or the opportunity associated with, you will come to know that it is very, very beautiful and very great. So we talk about what is SWC and who are the board members of SWC. So SWC has the two board members right of now. One is an Evangene Shaw, who is the financial director here. And another one is Alexis Sukhodev, who is a engineer by profession and the journal director at SWC. And what is SWC? What does it do? So it's a crowdfunding platform through which anyone can invest in development of UST innovative transportation. And as a participant, you can transfer fund to Skyward community. You can invest in that and entering a convertible loan agreement and become a SWC partner and actively support the development of international technology startup. So you can be a partner in that and you can have your own team in that. You can add more people and more people and more people and can become have a good networks of people here. And now we talk about the Sky, what is Unitsky String Technology, why all we gather here, what we are talking about, why we are putting our so much energy here. So it's an innovative transport that moves above the ground on high strength string rails. So there would be no traffic jams. The track structure is above the ground. So because it is above the ground, not on the flat surface, not on the flat ground, so there would be no pollution. Yes, there would be no pollution. And the transport is powered by electricity without polluting the atmosphere. How? We will talk about it further. And we have no border. So we just require the place to fix the angles. We don't require the ground to be have a technology or to run our vehicles. And Skywon can be built on any terrain in any climate. So we have a transportation vehicles with us who are resident to hot temperature or very cold temperature or to the wind also. And as all we know that the modern transport has a lots of problems because there are few problems which nature gives us, the challenges. But we can't do anything about that, like the sandstorm, torrential rains and the flooding, heavy snowfall. But have we ever thought that what we have done to uh, our nature, our environment, we have done a mess to it, right? So you all know with the cargo transportation, if you have seen, there are the huge traffic jams and congestion. But with the Unitsky String Technology vehicles, with this technology, now it is more simplified and clear transport alternative, right? Whereas we have a traffic and the massive jams, now it's more hassle-free and clean commute. As you can see in the picture, how it looks, how beautiful it is. Look to it that it looks so beautiful. We doesn't realize that okay, it's something we are transporting people or we are transporting something from one place to another place. It's so beautiful to see it. And the problems in logistics, we all know that there is a delay in shipping, big queues, but with the Unitsky's technology, it's more smooth flow of the shipments. And we know we all have a existing solutions for all this problem, but they are ineffective and not very much effective as if we compare it to Unitsky String Technology. So these are the existing. We know that we have a 4 meetings in the port of Belgium. Here you can see Ms. Cat is sitting, and she is the curator of India, and she was present in those meetings. And why she is looking so tense in this meeting or in this picture? Because she came to know that many countries, not our country, many countries need this technology, and many countries have the transportation problems at peak, and they don't have any concrete solution for that till now, until or unless they will not adapt the Unitsky String technology as a transportation in their country. And now we will come to know that what does USky offer. So we have a 27 vehicles with us. There are the picture and images of them. You can see, check it on the website also with all the USB, each and every vehicles. I will show you. So here is the U-Bike. That is a monorail suspended light passenger electric vehicle which we have. And this is the design of a U-Bus passenger electric vehicle. It is for the 14 passengers. And this is on the track. These U-Bus and U-Car is on the track. So it means that they are certified, they are real, and we all can use in our real life. And here is one design picture of a U-Car tropical version. And as a modification of the earlier built U-Car, underwent a number of improvements necessary for its operation in hot climate and upon increased humidity, while providing the comfortable conditions for the passenger. And here is the picture on the track. So this vehicle is on the track. You can see these are all ecological, all certified, and we all can see them. We all can use them. And here we have a U-truck with the double rail and the suspended cargo vehicle. And the model is distinguished by its audacious design, solutions, and outstanding visual and the high functionality. And one more thing, that this is a U-truck which we have, and this is a this is a vehicle that which can load or reload. just in a 3 seconds. So just you move your head and your work is done. It is so fast, so fast. And here we have a working picture of the U-Trans technology in the vehicle. It's mainly used for the loose cargo or for the mining purpose and for the loose cargo. And we have no limits. We have the U-wind also. We are in the air also. So this is not a helicopter. This is a drone, and this is that much. What we can say. This is have that much strength that it can lift this angle is approximately of a 1 ton, and this can be lifted by this drone, this vehicle, without any help of any pilot or any other person. So this is that much strong. And one more we have U-Flash. It is the favorite one of our team and many of our partners and many of our co-owners. And this is the U-Flash, and it has a speed of approximately up to 500 kilometers. It is the fastest one, and the design is so beautiful to see. And here the picture when the Miss Cat and one colleague of her, Mr. Christian, is sitting in this and enjoying while sitting in this, and they're very happy because they feel now somewhere we have a very concrete solution for all our transportation problem, and we have a very unique technology with us, and we all can enjoy the rides in that. This is a Yukon picture we have. Yes. So if we talk about this, this is the double rail quad rail and self-propelled cargo vehicle. And here the engineers are having taking a pictures of and facing the camera with the happy faces. And the transport net cost from it has a $1 per 100-ton kilometer. And we are waiting for a new pictures of that also. And here we have a U-Light, one more vehicle with us. And the construction of an overpass for the U-Light has been completed in the Eco Techno Park. And at the finish line, it is the arrangement of the station packets as well as electrical installation works. And now it's the turn for the seaport. And the main advantage of using the UST cargo transport system in the seaport that the delivery of loose, liquid, breakable cargo for the distance of 5 to 10 kilometers and the more offshore. Before the Unitsky String Technology, there is no any good solution or the concrete solution for all the seaport problems which we have. Or the delays in the shipments and the very big and long queues. And here one more, this is a linear city, it's a unity with the nature, and UST tracks contribute to the development of linear cities, cluster type urban settlement harmoniously integrated into the environment. And now we talk about how does the U-Sky technology work? What is the special behind it? When we talk about the USP, that there will be no traffic, no pollution, it is ecological. How it is made up of? So the technology behind that is this. This is the main track, high strength spring rail, and it is a very special metal, and it is filled with a very flexible concrete. Flexible concrete means that it can bend it can lift a very heavy load, and it can bend with a heavy load. It can bend but will not break. Will not break in any point of time. And the springs which you are seeing, the metal string, they are wrapped around each other to make it more smoother and the more stronger. Like we do it with a rope. We we wrapped around each other to make it a very strong and long rope, we can say. So it's like that. The idea behind is this. So wrapping around the string around each other is to make it more stronger. So this is the technology behind it. And when we say that it is a 5 times smoother and 3 times stronger, how? So this is the angle A and angle B. This is the normal bridge we all know. How? What is the technology behind to make it more smoother and stronger? This is the slant type angle. The red angle, which is giving it an extra support and making it extra smoother for transporting vehicles from one place to another place. And we have the high strength string rails in a three variants. So first is the flexible one. This is for the remote area, for the hilly areas, for transporting from one place to another. Second one, we have a rigid one. It is for the double, for transporting a lots of people, a lots of buses, and integrated to big cities. And the third one, which we have, this is a semi-rigid. It's for transporting a buses or a metal. So every minor thing has to be kept in mind before launching any vehicle. So it's a very we can say a very strong technology, but it's behind the Unitsky String Technology vehicles. And now we talk about the Unitsky engine. This is the heart of the technology. And the Unitsky engine, the USP of this is that it can run on natural gas, methane, hydrogen, and other environmentally friendly fuels. Even the fuel which is going to be used for this, they are environmental friendly. So all the things behind this technology are very ecological. And this metal which you are seeing, it's made up of such a special metal that when it's on a track, it have more resistance to the wind. So there will be no sound pollution even, right? Not even a air pollution and not even a sound pollution also. So it's that much ecological technology it is. And now we will talk about its advantages, the string transport advantages. What are the advantages we have? So first, the parameter which we have, which is the aerodynamics plays a pivot role. What is aerodynamics? Of the string transport is multiple times higher than that of a car. Higher the dynamics, aerodynamics, lower the noise pollution, lower the fuel needs to be used for run this vehicle. So if we talk about the most used vehicle which all of us use, it's a car, right? So, and it is determined in a CX. Right? This is the unit of aerodynamics. And when we talk about the value of this, it's a 0.4. And we talk about the U flash. We take the U flash vehicle for it, and its value is 0.06. It means that when it's on the track, there would be no resistance to the wind, so there would be no sound pollution. The fuel which is going to be used, it would be the minimum, and so it's very ecological, and we all can save our natural resources also. Right? Due to that, and what is the benefit of that? That one Unitsky high-speed transport can save up to 880 tons of fuel each year, which is the biggest needed thing in nowadays, because we have to save the fuel, we have to save the natural resources. This is our duty now, which is towards our nature and the environment. And Unitsky String Technology plays a pivot role in that, and we can all make it possible. And here are on the few parameters, we just compare it, that it surpassed the existing transport analogs in all technological parameters. First, we talk about the capital cost. If we talk about the capital cost, because we don't require the flat ground to be have our vehicles to run, so the capital cost is the minimum. If the capital cost is the minimum, operating cost will also be very minimum. If we talk about energy consumption, as we have seen the aerodynamics, has a higher aerodynamics value, so its energy consumption would be very low. If we talk about the capacity would be the higher one. Environmental pollution, I'm talking it again and again, that it's going to be the lowest. The transport accident rate, because we are not on road, we are not on flat ground, so it's going to be minimum. So with on the basis of all the parameters, it's surpassed all the transport analogs or the technology what we are using now and what we have in the market. And now it's why it is that we have came to one conclusion, that it is 10 times cheaper. It is 10 times cheaper than the prospect transport solution. So okay, we take few of the transport solution what we have: monorail, magnet leviation, and the hyperloop. On the parameters of eco-friendly, safety, adaptability, and the speed, and the cost per kilometer also we will talk about. If we talk about eco-friendly, okay, all of these are eco-friendly, including the Unitsky String Technology. When we talk about the safety is very much high in Unitsky String Technology compared to other solution what we have. When we talk about adaptability, we have no limits because we can on oceans, we can in hilly areas, we can between the two mountains also. So we can anywhere. We don't, and all others require the flat ground to be run. If we talk about the speed, we have the very good speed because the view flash, I told you that it's up to 600 kilometers per hour. And when we talk about the cost per kilometer, we have only $8 to $15, and it reduced from 3 to 9 mil. And for other one, it is 36 mil dollar, $106, 100 and per mil and more. So this is the cheaper compared to other technology, transportation technology, what we have this time. And now we will talk about the author of the technology, whose mind behind this technology, and the why, whose hard work is there to build this technology and to make our life so much easier. So here we have Dr. Anatoly Unitsky and Ruvich. And if I talk about him, he's the head of two United Nations organization project, the author of more than 150 inventions, 20 monograph, and 200 scientific papers. So if I talk about the people who are here, if I talk that how many inventions are there in our name, so I don't have even one. Maybe you all have, but I have a doubt that 150 inventions having in a hand of a one man is just proof that is the genius. He is the genius. And also he is the chairman of the board of directors of the International Skyway Group of Companies. And as we all know that there is a lady, strong lady behind every successful man, not behind, but along with that successful man. So there is that lady who is the journal director at Unitsky String Technology, and her name is Nadezhda Kostreva. And she put the mission and vision of the Unitsky String Technologies like that. Our mission is to establish widespread use of UST transport and infrastructure complexes that will significantly reduce the negative impact of transportation and its infrastructure on people and environment, both on a regional and a global level. And the company is proving that. Company is on a very right track of the mission which the company has made. There is another feather in the cap. In the 2018, the company received a certificate for the management system according to ISO, and she is holding the certificate for that. And now we will talk about the patents, certificates and the exhibitions. So there are the 130 patents worldwide from China to Australia, and you can see that all this look very beautiful on a one wall. And then there are the initial design. I would like to show you that this is how we started in 2014 and what are the initial design of the vehicles, and now which are the available on the website. They are all updated one. And this man has took this technology to the global level, and he's received with the open arms and with so much love because every country needs this technology. And there is a picture from the international exhibition from Singapore to Berlin. And we have exhibited the design of a U-Flash there. You can see the pictures of Dr. Anatoly here also, and the design of U-Flash. And now we'll talk about the production and the results, what we are doing with the fund which we have, and what are the results of that till where we have reached. So here we have started in 2014, and we are very close to stage 15, which is the completed finish stage, final stage of that. And here we have an office and the employees. We have our own production in Belarus. More than 600 employees are working there, and it's in the St. Miss Republic of Belarus. Here are the picture of the office building, and the pictures of employees working, and the pictures of the employees and the engineers who is facing the camera with behind the design of the vehicle, and they are on track. And we have our own factory also. This is a picture of that. First, we have this only white building, but as we know that every country needs it, so Unitsky String Technology have to expand its factory area also. Now this all area belongs to Unitsky String Technology. And we have two pictures also from the factory. You can see the engineers are here also with the design of one vehicle, and this they are working on that. And now there is the Eco Techno Park, which is in a Marina Gorka. You can see if you just go close to the picture, you can see the 7 test parks are here, and it is so much greenery here, and it is the design. It is designed by our CEO, Dr. Anatoly, and there is a pond. The fishes are there. There are the fruit trees, and the whole idea is just to present this thing that technology could be eco-friendly. It can be, and it is. Now we can say that the technology is eco-friendly, is ecological, which is not going to harm our environment, our nature. And we have a USCA Innovation Center in UAE also, which is in a Sharjah. It is the Sharjah Research Technology and Innovation Park. And we have a one picture from there when our vehicle is on the track and it's on the in the testing. It's already certified and tested vehicle. And we have a USCA Innovation Center in UAE, but makes the eco. You can see the eco house and houses in the middle of a desert. We all know that it has a very hot temperature. The Sharjah has a very sandy environment, and this shows the greenery shows and the happy faces of the people showing that with this technology, this can also be greener. This can also be green. So at least we know now that we have a one thing in our hand which could be ecological with all the solution to all the transportation problem. Now we will talk about the world news where we have reached. So we are all over the news, and one of them is that the Belarusian Chamber of the Commerce and the Industry has recognized Unitsky String Technologies as a reliable and bona fide partner for business activities in Belarus and abroad. And Dr. Anatoly is holding the certification for that. And the String Transport Develop Company has successfully passed the audit of economic activities of 2022. So we all can relax, we all can be happy, we all can be cheer up that we are associated with a healthy company. We are a healthy company. According to the results of the audit, the submitted documentation accurately reflects the financial position of the organization in all the existing aspects. So financially, we are very healthy, we are very strong. And also, we have undergone another audit of its financial statement that has, according to that, LSC has once again audited the financial statement. And based on the results of that audit, the company's financial statement present fairly in all the material respect the financial position of the organization as of 31st, 2022. The financial results of the company's activities and the changes in the financial position, including cash flow for the year ending 31st December 2022 in accordance with IFRS. So the results of the audits are available on the website also. You please go through that. You please go there and see. And here we have another successful test of the elements of the fourth track. So USCA Transport places high demands on the quality of work of all the participants involved in the construction of the fourth test park. The company takes a responsible approach to the selection of suppliers, and one of the ingredients for the success is also have a direct impact on the safety of USCA transportation and the infrastructure technology. After successfully studying the UAE market, USCA chose smart engineering and fasteners company and offered from its bolts, hexagonal nuts, and flat washers, which will be used for installation for a non-stretch section. And we have a representative of Uganda visit USCA Center. We have a pictures with us. You can see. So this technology is attracting each and every country. And USCA transportation and infrastructure technologies can be a great solution for many logistical challenges. Tourism in Uganda offers amazing travel opportunities there. And USCA vehicles travel above the ground on a uniquely designed flyovers, which provide a number of benefits. First, optimized aerodynamics. We have seen in the slide. I have just mentioned those things to you. Increased speed, unprecedented safety, efficient use of land and resources, better views, and minimization of environmental damage caused by transport. So all these, I told that on every parameter is the best what we have. And used by transport present track number 4, boarding platform. We have a picture with us. And the construction is the suspended two rail track structure. It will connect the passenger boarding platform and the anchor supports passage section. Positioned at the different heights, here the suspending, commissioning, inspection, and the maintenance of the U-ports will be take place. And the U-Light complex will demonstrate the work of USP transport in a commercial environment. These are the all new updates, and Unitsky String Technology recently announced the launch of the U-Light, and it should be reminded that at this stage, the complex has been put into operation as a freight transportation system. Dr. Anatoly and the journal designer of the company shared his opinion on why the project is important from the commercial point of view now. And it is very important to test your product on yourself. This, first of all, will allow us to overcome a kind of a barrier in the development of string technologies, industry forming innovation in the global market of the transportation services. And with our successful example of the realization of the first string rail transport complex, we show the absence of the risk and the financial losses for the future customer. And the USD technology is being introduced at one of the China's largest universities also. So it's one of the another achievement what we have. And the new milestone in the work of the USD testing and the certification center is that the certification testing and the certification center based in Sharjah Research Technology and the innovation park, U-Bus is now mounted on the test platform. We all have seen the picture in the previous slide. And this accomplishment is a testament to the hard work and the dedication of our entire team. So we all can cheer up for that, and we all can clap for the hard work the people are putting in this and making it possible to all of us to use it. And as we celebrate this achievement, we also want to acknowledge the Hijri New Year and the significance it holds for many of our team members, suppliers, and the contractors. These are the pictures of the static tests which is going on. And if we talk about India, now one of the most anticipated and the large-scale international exhibition in the field of technologies. Smart Cities India Expo 2022. This event was held from March 23 to March 25 in New Delhi, in India. And Unitsky String Technologies took part in presenting its transport and infrastructure solutions there. And we have a pictures from this event. And you can see the Mr. Sayed Mainuddin, which is the active partner of the SWC and the proud owner of the Unitsky String Technology, was assisted Unitsky String Technology there. There are so many people, lots of people, and they have lots of questions. So we did a well done job there. He answered all the questions, and they were happy with the event. And also, the string transport has attracted the interest of a representative of India's Ministry of Tourism also. So this is a very good news for the Indian people. And as we know, the students are the future builders and the users of new-style transport. Many delegation of the students have visited there, and we all have a good pictures from there. So they are happy and facing the camera very smiley faces because they know that their next generation also is going to have a pollution-free environment. Also, the fastest transportation technology with them. And there are few new news from the Dubai Roads and the Transport Authority (RTA) that stands at Trans 2022, featuring the Unibike model. And you can read about us. We are all over the news. We are in mass media, Tech Insider, Office Live, Fox, CNN Business, and Blue Sky Cargo and the passenger transport is ready to enter the global market in 2023, and it's already has entered. And now we are 150 plus international delegations which we have visited the USky Center and the production in Belarus since 2014. Since 2014 still now, 150 international delegations already have visited the USky Center. We have few local projects also for here for the Sharjah. You all can see the pictures. We have a full local project which running on there. And now it's a turn to contribute to the project for your own benefit. How? Let's talk about that. So, how you can, so first of all, you are welcome to the SWC educational platform. We have a lots of courses here. You can go, you can register yourself, and you can go for the courses here. Also, once the whosoever, if you are coming by yourself, then you can come to my team. My team will be put all the uh, links for the Telegram, Facebook, every link from where you can reach us, the WhatsApp number also. We will help you to get you registered for your verification process for everything. Or if you are coming to any person who is a sponsor of yours, you can give your mail ID and all the details to them. They can also help you in that. So here you just need to put your name, your phone number, your email ID. You can get yourself registered, and then after the verification, you will be a partner of the consultant. You can have the courses from there also, and you can start having your own. So we have a current courses on our educational site also. We have also put the recommended courses. You can see them also. And here we are on the YouTube also, the SWC ideology. And we regularly keep you updated to our official Telegram channel, to our official Facebook channel also. So you can subscribe to those channels and can have all the updates. We have a very, you can say the very huge and the big module courses in our educational site. And to get access to the platform, you to know more about our projects, you have you have to have get a link of a member, and you need to go this official link. This is the new dot skyway dot capital, and then to get access to the educational platform, it is a my dot smart swc smart.com, and log in with the same email address and the same password to the main platform. And if you need help, please contact the person who brought you here. I'm telling it again and again. Or get in contact with me or my team, Miss Sarah and Miss Cindy is here. And one of them will put the links there. You can reach to us. Please reach to us. We are here to help you, to get you registered, to get you verified, to help you in any way regarding to SWC and Unitsky String Technologies. So to get a free personal back office on our platform with the applications, when you get registered, you will have your personal back office. All the updates you can have there. You can get verification from that page only. And how to reach it? First of all, now we have a virtual reality on your smartphone. We have our application. You can download the application of SWC, because we all know that phones are very handy, right? We all are very used to of it. All the time, 20 out of 24, 22 hours, these are in our hand. So now we have an application, iOS app for the regarding Apple phone application. For the Android phone application, we have. Kindly download the applications, and it will be very useful for you. It will save your time also, and you can get updates just in a second. We have our official site also for the company news, official YouTube channel. We have official website of Anatoly Unitsky, Journal Designer of the String Technology System. So these are the links of official channels. So you can copy that, or my team will be putting the chat box. Please go there, please subscribe this channel, read the real news, read the real updates there. And Also, there is available a new website of the string transport company developer. So once you log into unitsky.com, you automatically get to the new one, which is a unitsky.inc. And the reason behind that the transport company developer has completely updated its official website. And the main changes which you find in the new website is first, the extended section about the technological feature of the project. A detailed description will be there for the certification process and their result. An improved form for applications for the commercial project, and the new site navigation and design with the interactive element, right? So please note, when you go to the company's website at the old address, it will be directly uh, uh, just redirected you to the new one also. And we have a YouTube page of a channel of Unitsky String Tech, Dr. Anatoly Unitsky. Please go there. We have an Instagram page. He has an Instagram page, and show your gratitude there. Say hi and hello to him and make him popular, because he has given a lots of years of hard work and lots of years of his life with this technology to make our life easier, our next generation's life easier. So everyone should know about him, should know about this technology. This is my WhatsApp number. You can reach on this number also, 7892051800, for any help regarding SWC, for registration, for Unitsky String Technology. If you want to be there, if you want to be a partner of the team, or anything, you may reach there, and our team will be happy to help you. And we have a Facebook page, Facebook group also. Now we have an official Facebook group also. We have a YouTube channel also. We have a Telegram group also. You can join there. We have a Instagram, and we are on Instagram and LinkedIn also. And for the WhatsApp also, we have two groups. Tribal Community India. You can join those groups also. It's just to reduce your time and to make you updated. And for the minor updates, we want each and everything should be reached to you on time. So please join us, make this team bigger. And thank you so much for your interest and teamwork and giving your all precious time to this info. Thank you so much.